Have you been building email lists for more than 6 months? Then you've got some dead subscribers on your list. They're not opening your emails. They're not paying attention to you. Frankly, they don't even remember who you are. So now you've got two choices: either remove them from your autoresponder or win them back. In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step method, all the email swipes, timing, and strategies to do that. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Keep watching. I don't advocate removing subscribers until you've done everything in your power to get them back in your fold, opening your emails, and hopefully buying your offers. After all, getting subscribers isn't all that easy. It takes either work, money, or both. So why not put a little effort into winning those subscribers back? Done correctly, it can pay off big time. First, we're going to start off by re-engaging them. If that doesn't work, we'll try winning them back. And finally, when they act on one of our emails, we'll send them a welcome back email. A couple of last points about this series. Modify it to suit your needs. Your emails should reflect you, your personality, and that of your company and products. So don't be afraid to modify these as you see fit. We use 30 days as an example, but you can use this series anytime you like. Personally, I use a similar series after 60 days of someone not opening my emails. Despite what some marketers will tell you, there are no hard and fast rules for how to word an email. I've given you a good start here, but again, you should make these uniquely yours. Or just copy and paste and fill in the blanks. That should work, too. One last thing, if you win back just 1,000 subscribers a year with this series, and just 5% of those go on to make purchases totaling $100 each, that's $5,000 a year. Not bad for copying and pasting a handful of emails into your autoresponder. Are you ready? Download the free report with all the email swipes, timing, and strategies, now. Click the link below or in the description, and let me know what you think.